Hi guys, welcome back to Discover Zone. Today I'm with my friend Jane, and today we're going to be showing you how to make homemade fruit snacks. We are not sponsored, but these are the molds that we're using. They're the My Fruit Shack molds. Let's get started. First, we're going to prepare our molds by putting them on the trays. We have 3 tablespoons of gelatin, 2 tablespoons of agave, and 1 cup of juice. So now we're going to pour our juice into our pot. Yes, juice into pot. Now we're going to sprinkle our gelatin on top of it and leave it for about 3 minutes until it gets all wrinkly. So now we're going to whisk our agave into it. Right now? Yes. So it's gotten all wrinkly because we left it for 3 minutes. Good. So we're going to whisk that all in, and now we're going to move over to the stove. You'll want to put the pot on the stove at medium-high heat. So we're going to whisk that until it comes to a simmer, but don't let it boil. So now it's gotten thinner. Now we're going to use the syringes to put it into the molds. So now we filled up both of the molds, and we're going to put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So we took these out of their molds, and they look super cute. There's grapes, oranges, and strawberry shapes, and they taste so good. Do you like them, Jane?
Yes, they're very good.
So they're super cute. Let me know down below in the comments if you make these and if you like them. Remember, like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below what you want to see next. Bye, guys!